Hey guys, what's going on? Today is a quick video because I actually need your help and I want your input for some future content that I'm going to be making because I have kind of a special opportunity or something that doesn't come along very often, and I think it would be a really unique time to capture footage, to make special types of content that I'm not going to get to make all the time. So the way that this video is going to be set up is I'm going to, number one, tell you in the next little bit what I'm about to do. Then I'm gonna explain the fine details, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna make a ask of you. If you want, you can skip the middle of the video and I'll put timestamps in the description to make it easy to do so if you don't care about all the specifics. But for those that are interested and want to see the intensity level of this event, it'll be really cool for you to watch. So let's get going with this video, but real quick, it is sponsored by Lord Hair, who is sponsoring education inside the community. So if you're looking for your first hair system, check out the link down below. Now let's get to it. So this weekend I am going to be competing in a CrossFit competition, and I'm pretty excited. It has been years since my last CrossFit competition, and over the past little bit, I've changed my training. I've gone from just doing CrossFit and just trying to be athletic to now I'm actually trying to build myself as an athlete to compete on hopefully a national to international scale within the next couple of years. This means that I've been training extremely hard. I've been training longer. I've been training all of my weaknesses with a coach. I've invested in a coach to help me with this stuff, who has tried and tested. She used to be close to competing in the CrossFit Games herself in the past, and hopefully we're gonna get somewhere in the future. Now this is a really interesting opportunity to capture content because I'm basically gonna be putting my hair system to the test, and I want to capture it on camera. This CrossFit competition is gonna be 2 days long, and it's gonna consist of 7 different events within a course of basically 24 hours, which means that it's gonna be very strenuous, not just on my physical body, but also on a hair system. I'm gonna be sweating an absolute crazy amount. I'm gonna be doing very aggressive movements that incorporate, the hair system, things like handstand push-ups, which is literally basically going from the ground with my head, the hair system on it, to a handstand position. It's going to be a lot of stuff that is basically going to test the hair system. So this middle portion of the video is going to be talking about what the workouts are, and just so you guys can get a picture of how extensive it's going to be. And then at the end, I'm going to make an ask of you guys. So with that being said, right, this right here is basically the game plan and what all of the workouts are for the competition. So there's going to be 7 different events. I'm going to be doing this with a partner. We're not going to go over the specifics of how we're going to break this up as a partner, but I'm gonna show you the workouts. So the first one is an 8-minute time cap workout. Means we got 8 minutes to complete this as fast as possible because we're racing against other people. So it's 24 sandbags over the shoulder from the ground position at 150 pounds. These are 150-pound sandbags. And then after we complete that, it's gonna be a 600-meter run. And then immediately after, we go back into 24 sandbags over the shoulder from the ground, 150 pounds. So this is a sprint style workout. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna get hard, and it's gonna blow up the body. The second workout is going to be a 13-minute time cap. We're still racing to complete this as fast as possible, but it's gonna be 13 minutes, and my teammate and I are going to have this time to complete 60 dumbbell thrusters. And a thruster is like doing a front squat into a push press overhead position, like doing a military press with your shoulder activation at 50 pounds on each dumbbell. So 2 dumbbells, followed by 60 calorie row, which is a fairly good amount of calories, followed by 120 bench presses at 115, followed by a 60 calorie row, followed by 60 thrusters. So this is going to be an absolute sprint. It's going to be hard. Once again, it's just hold on to it. Now, this is going to be the last workout of day 1. So it's called Just the Horns. It's our third workout. And this right here is essentially 2 different workouts. Each partner has 1 section of this. This is what I'm going to be doing. I have 5 minutes basically to complete this on my own, 5 rounds per time of 4 bar muscle ups. So you guys know probably what a muscle up, but it's basically a pull up, flip yourself over, get up on top of the bar with the arms locked out. So do 4 of those followed by 2 cleans. Clean is basically like doing a deadlift, but after the deadlift, getting it up to your shoulder position. It's an Olympic movement. And each round it's ascending in weight, going from 225 to 45 to 65 to 85, 305. So these are very, very heavy cleans, you know, for an average person, not for an Olympic weightlifter, but definitely this is a speed workout, but it's also a power workout. So we start over the next day at 6 a.m. with WOD 4, or workout of the day. That's what WOD means. But this is gonna be a 13-minute time cap right here. So we do 90 toes to bar, which is essentially hanging onto a pull-up bar and bringing our toes to the pull-up bar. So very core intensive, followed by a 60-meter handstand walk, which is about 200 feet, I believe, and then 30 devil's press at 50 pounds, 2 dumbbells weighing 50 pounds. Devil's press is when you basically do a burpee, but you do it weighted so that like when you're down on the ground, you're holding the 2 dumbbells in burpee position, you get yourself up, and then you bring the dumbbells straight overhead. So it's like doing a burpee kind of on crack, if you will. So once again, speed, but this is also gonna be a very grueling workout. The 5th one is going to be 12 rounds for time, which is basically we split up as partners. I do a round, my partner does a round, but this is a sprint workout. It's a very, very short time cap. So it's gonna be 12 bike calories, which is gonna take about 30 to 40 seconds probably per round, but sprinting. And then 6 burpee box jumps at 24 inches. A burpee box jump is when you have a box in front of you. You basically do a burpee, and then you jump immediately onto the box, over to the other side, do a burpee. So 6 of those, and then we have to complete these 12 rounds as quick as possible, so it's another sprint. This 6th workout is an absolute bender of one. It's a long one. It's really 3 workouts in one. So it's gonna be as many reps as possible of this following workout right here, which is 40 double unders. So it's basically doing jump rope, but getting the jump rope to pass twice underneath you each single time you jump. 20 wall balls at 20 pounds each, which is where you basically do a front squat with a wall ball and then push it up to, I think the target is 10 feet overhead. So 20 of those, and then 10 deadlifts at 275, and you keep on going through this as long as those 10 minutes are active. Immediately after that, you go into a 3-minute long session, which we have an opportunity to do max unbroken synchronized handstand push-ups. So we'll be against a wall, and we're trying to get as many handstand push-ups as possible in that period of time, unbroken, so you can't come down from the wall. That's immediately followed by another 10-minute AMRAP, which is as many reps as possible. Just means we keep on going as many rounds as we can, of 120 double unders, so the same movement, jump rope, where it passes twice underneath you each jump, 60 wall balls at 20 pounds, and then 30 deadlifts at 185. So this right here is just an absolute grinder. It's 23 minutes long. And then the final workout, as you guys can see, isn't known. They're not telling us what it is. It's gonna be a surprise. We just know it's the finale, pretty much. So anyways, here's the ask, right? So you guys have seen what this looks like. You guys see that we're gonna be doing a lot of activity in a very short period of time. We're gonna be sweating, you know, it's gonna be pretty crazy. What type of content do you want to see? What do you want to see from this? What is interesting to you in terms of whether it's fitness content, fitness and hair system content? Do you want to see vlogs from me, like kind of like as I'm going through? Do you want my girlfriend to be recording me doing some of these workouts in the crowd, making sure you guys are seeing what's going on? Like, this is a chance that we get to create content together. I just need your ideas. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'm really excited about this, and I think we're gonna make some awesome content that we can't really easily duplicate often. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think, and we'll definitely try to make some of those pieces of content. I'm excited about it. Leave some comments down below, and I will catch you guys soon.